Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Shark cordless vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Shark cordless vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Shark cordless vacuums so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a Shark cordless vacuum. First, think about battery life, as it determines how long you can clean before recharging. A longer battery life is ideal for larger homes or multiple rooms. Next, check the suction power to ensure it can handle different surfaces like carpets, hardwood, and tiles. Also, consider the vacuum's weight and design for easy handling and storage. Look for models with detachable components or flexible heads for tight corners. Another important factor is the dustbin capacity, because frequent emptying can be inconvenient. You should also check the filtration system to make sure it captures allergens and dust effectively. Lastly, review the included accessories, such as brush heads or crevice tools, to match your cleaning needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews.